Welcome once again to my channel. This is Damson Media channel. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be the first person to receive our notification when we upload next informative and educative videos. Now, this afternoon we'll be looking at how to delete our YouTube channels. Probably your YouTube channel is not doing well. Maybe you just feel like you don't need it again. Maybe anyhow you want to delete anything on it. Maybe you're not interested in doing the YouTube again. So how do you delete your channel on YouTube? So we'll be looking at that, and we'll be using our Chrome browser as usual. On our smartphone, we'll be using our Chrome browser. I actually love that browser. I love it because there are some flexibility there. Now, having done this, the next thing we do is to click on our YouTube icon. Our YouTube icon here, up here. So straight from our YouTube icon, we go straight. So from here we go straight to our YouTube, and then we go straight to settings. Now when you get to the settings, at this side, at the left side, there is a navigation plane there. So from there you see settings, accounts, notification, playback and performance, privacy, connect, accounts, and watch on TV. So you see that this thing there. So the next thing you do is you click on advanced settings. Then it displays, you see delete, you see every other thing there. Then you go to delete channel. Make sure you click on delete channel. So when you click on delete channel, it shows you where that you should log in to verify if it is you, if that password is correct or not. So you click next. If the password is correct, you click next. No, I did not check. I know. So now immediately you click next, it takes you to this place that says remove YouTube content. Now to delete your YouTube channel or content, it has two options. The first option says after hide or delete your content and all these ones. Now you have two options there. The first one says I want to hide my channel. The other one says I want to permanently delete my channel. Now to hide your channel means to make it not visible to anybody. Now to delete your channel permanently means to delete the channel. So if you click the drop down arrow of the hide my channel, you see this will take you to this place, and you can see all this right up. This will make your YouTube content and activity private. Select all the following to confirm you understand. The following will be made private until you re-enable your channel. That is your channel name, your public video, your likes, your subscription to other channels, subscribers to your channels. The following will be permanently deleted. Your comments made on YouTube videos. Comments you have made on every YouTube video will be deleted permanently. And your replies on YouTube comments, people that comment on your video, your replies to them will be deleted. Then your data on other Google properties will not be removed. Your data on other properties, YouTube properties, that is, your Gmail account, anything will not be affected. Now for this purpose, we are deleting permanently. The channel is just for training, so we have done with all the training I want to do with the channel. So now we'll be going to the next one, which says permanently delete the accounts. Now you can see here that says I want to permanently delete my accounts. This will permanently delete YouTube data associated with Odun Ayo Moses. That is my name. and share your YouTube. Then select all the following. That means that will follow. Then you just select. You select the one you select will be the one to delete. Now I delete my content. And it pop up this delete your content. Then just delete my content. Oh, can you see? It says please confirm by typing in your email address. So just to confirm, maybe you know what you are doing, or maybe somebody is although these are just for security reasons. Then you see delete my content. So you put in your email, check and put in your email. Then you can see it has removed. Your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this take a few minutes, but can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. So that is just that about that about deleting your Facebook channel. Maybe you just feel like deleting it. Thank you for watching this very informative video, and please hit the subscription button and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell to receive our next video notification, and also like the video and comment down below in using the comment section so as to have interaction within me and you, and also share this video to as much as many people and your relatives and your families. Thank you and God bless.